Hey there, and welcome to our cozy Christmas decor extravaganza. I am your host, and today we are going to show you how to make your home feel like a warm and inviting winter wonderland in this Christmas. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or just looking for some inspiration, we have got you covered. So grab your hot cocoa and cozy up by the fire, and let's dive into the ultimate cozy Christmas decor ideas for 2023. Traditional Christmas elegance is very important. To kick things off, let's start with some traditional Christmas elegance. The key here is to create a timeless and inviting atmosphere that will make everyone feel at home. Classic ornaments like these baubles, nutcrackers, and angels add a touch of elegance to your Christmas tree. Mix and match them to create a cohesive and nostalgic theme. Wreaths and garlands are a must for any cozy Christmas decor setup. Place them over the fireplace and hang them on doors, and even use them as table centerpiece. They will fill your home with the scent of fresh pine. Soft, warm lighting is a key element in creating a cozy atmosphere. Consider string lights, lanterns, and candles to cast a gentle, inviting glow throughout your home. If you are a fan of rustic and natural charm, this segment is for you. Let's bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, bringing in natural elements like pine cones, birch branches, and wooden decor pieces to create a woodland inspired atmosphere. These elements add warmth and character to your space. Incorporate plaid patterns and burlap stockings to evoke cozy cabin in the woods vibes. They add a touch of rustic charm to your decor. Get creative with some DIY projects. Create your own rustic wreath, wood custom ornaments. It's a fun way to personalize your decor and add a personal touch. Now, if you are dreaming of a magical winter wonderland with a touch of whimsy, this segment is all about embracing your inner child. Drape your home in snowflakes, from window decals to hanging snowflake ornaments. They add a touch of winter magic and create a whimsical atmosphere. Embrace pastel colors like soft blues and pinks and add some metallic accents for a dreamy, enchanted feel. Don't be afraid to mix and match. It's all about creating a fairy tale atmosphere. If you have little ones at home, make sure to include some kid friendly decor like Santa themed items, cute elves, and whimsical characters. It's all about creating a sense of wonder and delight. Let's talk about creating cozy nooks and adding those special touches that make your home truly magical. Transform a corner of your living room into a cozy reading nook. Add a plush chair with some soft blankets and a stack of your favorite holiday book for a quiet escape. Don't forget to add personalized decor elements like custom stockings or ornaments with your family member's name. It adds heartwarming and personal touch. Set up hot cocoa station with various toppings and mix-ins. It's the perfect way to treat yourself and your guests to warm and delicious holiday feel. Now let's talk about creating a festive tablescape and dining decor that will leave your guests in awe. Start with a festive table runner and a captivating centerpiece. You can use fresh flowers, pine cones, candles, or even mix all of three for a stunning effect. Invest in festive plates, glasses, and flatware to add a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Holiday themed pattern or metallic accents can elevate your dining table. Create personalized place cards for each guest. It's a thoughtful way to touch that adds a touch of and sense of warmth and personal connection during your holiday feast. Don't forget to extend your cozy Christmas decor to the great outdoors. Let's explore some enchanting ideas for your exterior. Guide your guests to your front door with illuminated pathways, luminous candles, or lanterns lining the walkway create a magical entry. Consider adding oversized ornaments and wreaths to your decor and outdoor space. These decorations make a bold statement and show your festive spirit to the whole neighbor. Consider adding oversized ornaments and wreaths to your outdoor space for a whimsical touch. Include some fun yard inflatables like Santa Claus, snowmen, or reindeers. They are a hit with kids and bring joy to all who pass by. To truly immerse yourself in cozy Christmas spirit, let's explore two essential elements: the right music and captivating scents. Create a festive Christmas playlist filled with your favorite holiday tunes. Background music sets the mood and enhances the cozy ambience. Infuse your homes with scents of Christmas: scented candles, potpourri, or essential oil diffusers with fragrance like cinnamon, pines, and vanilla can instantly transport you to a holiday wonderland. One of the most heartwarming aspects of Christmas is traditions and stories associated with your decor. Let's cherish these meaningful moments. Or continue family traditions such as making ornaments together, decorating the trees as a family, or sharing a special Christmas Eve activity. These traditions build memories that last a lifetime. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to creating the ultimate cozy Christmas decor for 2023. Whether it's beautifully set dining table, magical outdoor decorations, festive music, or cherished traditions, remember that the true magic of Christmas lies in the love, warmth, and togetherness we share with our loved ones. Wishing you all heartwarming and cozy Christmas filled with love and joy. Happy decorating, and may your home be the coziest place on the earth this holiday season. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring holiday content. Thank you.